Hey, what's up? What's up? This is your girl Jasmine Taisha, and today I am just going to be showing you guys how I edit a video in CapCut, splitting it down to make it all flow together and all that good stuff. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so you start off by going into the CapCut app and you go in your gallery. You click new project, select your photo that you want, the video you want to edit, pull it up, and it loads up in CapCut, and then you are able to get right into it. So when I first start out by using the split effect, and I split out the sections that I do not want to be in the final video. So that is what I'm going to do here. And yep, so I'll keep the first part because that's me sitting the cup. I'll go to right after I place it and split there. I'll go out a little bit to where right before I start pouring in the creamer, split there, delete what's before that, go to the next part. I played it to see how it looked. Go to the next part right after I finish pouring the creamer, I split it there, and then I go to right before I pour the milk, split there, and then I delete that, flow together, and then I split right after I finish the milk. You split there, and then you go right before you start doing the next thing. You split right before you're even in action, like grabbing that. So I split there, delete that. And then, yeah, so you just continue to do that throughout the whole video. No matter what video it is, you would use this same thing. So right after I finish putting the sugar in there, I am going to split at the end of that segment. So split there, and then right before I grab the milk further, I want to split there so that it's so it's not anything extra in the video. And yeah, so I do that, and then once I finish that, it's going to be the end of the video, so I will then just split the piece that's left, delete it, and then you always want to make sure to remove the CapCut logo at the end so that that's not a part of your video. And yeah, so on this next part, what we're gonna do after we delete the logo, we go all the way back to the beginning, and on this part what we're doing is we are just shortening each of the clips to a few seconds, just so that it's short and sweet. So yep, the first section, for example, instead of a section being like 2.4 seconds, I'll, you see what I'm doing. I'm basically chopping it down to where it's like 0.4 seconds or something like that. So yeah, you just want to make them little bitty short seconds so that it's, it all flows together really fast. It's like a fast video. That's how you create that, that real effect that's, going viral. So yeah, and I am going to come back with another part of editing that's very important, and it actually makes your video spark. So yeah, I will definitely be back to show you guys how to do that part. But yep, and then you export it and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel as well, because I will be back with some more how-tos. Thanks. Bye.